this one yang ni tricky sikit. Yang ni saya tak bagi lagi. So given the question, they ask you to find the member forces of AC, and then given the trust. So what is the first step you need to do? What is the first step you need to do? Find. In the question, they don't ask you to find it. But the rule you need to find lah. So first thing, need to find how to know the trust is indeterminate or determinate. Yang tu kena cari dulu. So we use M plus R equal to J. Right? To J. So the members here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lah, 4 member. Okay, 4. Sorry. 6. 5, 6. 6 member. Kan? And then reaction. So this one symbol for pin. This one symbol for roller. So total is 3. And then the join is from member to member. The connected. Okay, the connection. So this one 4 lah. 4 join. Okay, 4. So you will have 9 more than 8. If 9 more than 8, what types? Determinate or indeterminate or not stable? Jawab. Nine over 8. Determinate or indeterminate or not stable class? Cepat jawab. You not answer, I will not continue lah.
Indeterminate.
Indeterminate. Stable or not stable, this one?
Not stable.
Why not? It's not stable pula. Not stable maksudnya apa? M plus R less. Less to G, yes. This one, not stable. But you got more, right? More, not stable. Kalau if you got M plus R less, that one not stable. But you got 9 over 8, which is okay lah, stable je. Okay. However, the type is indeterminate. So now, if you got this trust is indeterminate, first thing you need to know, the redundant. Is it external or internal redundant? Okay. If the trust type is indeterminate, then you need to find external or internal. So how do we know that it's internal or external? You can use this lah. M equal to J minus 3 and R more than 3. Okay, if M more than 2J minus 3 and R equal 3, internal. Okay, so sometimes if you already expert from the pictures, you already know internal or external. So the first thing you look at the support. Support we have 3. R3. So R3 meaning that is enough lah, at least. So it should be internal. Internal redundant. Maknanya the trust dia terlebih internal redundant. So this is the types for this trust. If you still not sure, you can use this one lah. Yang ni. Ini kena ingat lah. This one, this formula is not given. Okay. Okay. After you got this one is internal, first thing you need to reduce the system. Okay. Internal maknanya apa? Remove the member trust. Okay. Remove the member trust. So in the question, they already stated for you. Find the member of AC. And then AC taken as the redundant. So meaning that you need to remove AC. Buang AC ni, member ni. Okay. So when you remove AC, okay, so your diagram will be look like this lah. Nampak tak? This one is one diagram. This one is second diagram. So the purpose of one, you will make the truss as the determinate types. Okay, if you try to apply again, M plus R equal to J. For the pictures number 1, you will get determinate. Then you can calculate the member forces of truss. Okay, for this type, you will have more than one set of member forces. Kena ada dua, must. Okay, so now you find member forces for diagram 1 and then continue with the diagram for 2. Okay, so now we have UDL. UDL here 30. So how to make it as a point load? 30 times 3. We have 9. 9. Now basically they will point it at the center lah, 90. But this one is complicated if you want to calculate the member forces. So 90 you can separate, divide to 2 join lah, which is 50, 45, 45. Okay, the total is 90. How do we get 45? Just now we have UDL, right? UDL change to this one kilonewton over meter. So to cancel meter, you need to multiply with meter, right? Then you will get the point load lah. So now we will have 90. Okay, 90 kilonewton. This one. 90 kilonewton will be pointed at the center lah usually. Okay, so now your truss no more UDL lah because you change to 90 kilonewton. But if we want to divide to 2 join here, okay, so it will be 45, 45. Okay. So this one is the real forces. So same steps lah. We find the member forces of truss. So VA plus BD. Okay, we assume outwards. And then the total will be for 90 lah, 90. So we take the moment A. Okay, katakan kita ambil kat moment A, we assume clockwise is positive. So here, if you see here, we have pin, right? Pin, how many unknown reaction? Unknown reaction for pin support, we have 2, right? Ada 2 ni. So what is the value for horizontal support reaction at A? Berapa? Sini. Ada berapa ni HA? What is the value for HA? Based on this. Berapa kelas HA? Do we have external horizontal direction? No. So HA will be?
0.
0. 0 lah. I need to list. Even that one is 0, tulis 0. Sometimes they have marks, even half. Based on answer script lah. Right? Okay. Now find A. A will be moment 45 times this one 3 meter, right? 3 meter. And then plus, okay, positive. And then VD. VD is negative 3 VD. So you will get 45, right? So sini 45. This one also 45. Okay. 45, 45. So BD 45. Below Newton. Always make it the habit, write the unit lah. Okay, now we can find the member forces of truss. So which joint you want to start? The rule is choose at least 2 unknown member forces. So if you want to start at D, you will have 3 unknown. Can we start here? Can we start here? C. Can we start at C?
Can.
Can, because the rule is at least 2 unknown member forces. Pun boleh C. If you start at C, so this one will be this one downward to balance upward. Okay, and then another one is downward. They must be opposite. So this one value will be 45. Negative, positive. Compression or tension? Negative, positive ni. Look at the outer parts. Okay, this one is the member truss. So this is the direction. So at the outer part, they will be compressed. And they compress. So negative lah. So this one negative. Okay. Then what next? We go to A lah. A senang sikit because 2 unknown member forces. So this one, if you look at A, here we horizontal 0. Okay. So member AD will be 0 lah. Okay. And then for member AB, here is upward. This one will be downward. And then another part is upward. Value will be 45. Negative, positive. Same lah, same like this. So negative. Negative. So how about this one? BC. Ini tak habis tadi. Yang ni BC will be 0. Okay, because there are no external forces in X direction. Okay, so if you look at here, you tengok kalau you tengok, you jangan tengok benda lain, you tengok sini je. Sekejap ya. Okay, so this one, you just look at this joint. So if you see here, the red, pink colors, there are no horizontal reaction. So that's why CB0. Okay? Even we have horizontal here also, we don't see for the whole pictures. You refer to joint C or D, still 0. All right? Okay, how about BD? BD will be, how to see it? Okay, now you refer to joint B. Okay? Because BD, they have joint B and also joint D. So you can refer joint B or you can refer joint D lah. So if I refer to joint B, BD will be, they are already balanced in Y direction, right? Because 45, this one 45. Already balanced. So this one 0 lah. Okay, BD is 0. Nampak tak? So this is your real member forces. All right. So next. Now we already done these parts. Okay, for number 1, how about number 2? So number 2, we need to find again. Selalu student dia stop kat sini je. Tak boleh sebab this one is redundant internal. So you must have at least 2 set member forces. Indeterminate, they don't have 1 set member forces. Okay, indeterminate must have at least 2 set member forces. So that's why this one is 1 set. Okay, and another one is this one lah. Okay, now find B12. Okay, for B12, internal, just now you remove AC. Kan? You remove AC ni, this one. No member AC. However, in the actual, we have AC. So you put back AC like this. 1, 1. Apply 1 unit load. Right? So start again now. Repeat. How you need to find support reaction, VAVD. What is the value for VAVD? Can I say 0? Can I say 0? Do you agree 0? Or we have certain value for support reaction? Try tengok balik. If you see here, we have 1 unit load directed here and another 1 unit load directed here. Is it balanced already or not? It's already balanced? Balance tak? Dah memenuhi equation of equilibrium? Yes or no? 1 unit load for here, 1 unit load for here. Is it fulfill the equation of equilibrium? Ini? Sini. Kan? 1, 1. Equal tak?
Equal.
Equal. So, VABD kosong lah. Okay. If you want to prove it, still can. So, dia macam ni. If you want to prove. So, first thing, the angles here. What is the angles here? Theta. Macam mana nak cari theta tu? Tangent. Theta. So, here is 4, right? 4. 4. And then this one is 3. So, we will get it 5.3. Okay. 53.3 degree. Betul tak? What divided by 3 tangent negative 1. 5313. Kan? Okay. So, and then this one also. This one also 5313 lah. Okay. To prove it. Y is 0. Sebenarnya tak perlu kira pun sebab dia memang 0. So, this one, 1 unit load, they have 2 component. Kan? Sebab dia ada angle situ. So, this one will be 1 cos theta. And this one will be 1 sin theta. And then this one also. Sini 1 cos theta. And this one also 1 sin theta. If you look at the direction, it also already balanced. Ke kiri, to the left, to the right, and then upward, downward. So that's why VAVD is 0 lah. Okay. Then, but our aim is want to find the member forces lah. Okay, selesai yang ni. So how to find the member forces? You can use method of join. Okay, method of join. Now we take join A. Because we have 1 unit load. Okay, here. So here will be this one. This one join A lah, join A. So this is 1 unit load. This one is AD. This one is AB. Okay, so this one theta. Theta is 53 lah, 53.13. So find ABAD. We use FY. FY upward AB plus 1 sin. Betul tak? Sin kan? Sin 53.3, the angles. And then we don't have downward direction. So equal to 0 lah. Okay, mana kita dapat ni? Based on Y equation. Okay, if you can see here, we only have AB and 1. No downward direction, 0 lah. So we get AB value will be negative. Negative apa? AB. 0.8 ke 0.6? 0.8. Gunalah calculator itu. 0.8. Okay, negative, which is C. Okay, how about fx? Because we don't find yet AD. AD we don't find yet. So to the right, we have AD plus 1 cos. So that cos 53.13 equal 0. So AD will be negative 0.6. C lah, C. Compression because negative. Nampak? So macam mana nak lukis? So AB, this one AB, negative 0.8. Negative, we will compress or compression or tensile will be based on the outer, which is macam ni lah, kan? Macam ni. So this one will be like this lah, direction. So this one is negative 0.8. Ini negative 0.8. Betul? Negatif dengan positif macam mana kita nak tahu? Look at the outer joint, which is like this. And then like this. They will compress. That's why negative. Okay. Okay. Then, because we don't find yet another member forces. So AD is negative 0.6. So it will be look like this also. This one will be negative 0.6. Right. Okay, how about others? BD, BC, CD. Channel. So we go find D first, D. Jadi kalau you tak faham, you can apply method of join lah. Method of join. Because this one, they don't stated what method. So look at here. So it will, if you see here, we have two unknowns, right? BD and CD. Two unknown member forces of thrust. So here we have CD, FX, FY, right? FY unknown. For BD, we have XX, FY. Okay, two component because of the member thrust, they have angle incline. So if you see here, which one have one component unknown? FX, right? So FX, you need to find BD first. Kena cari BD. So just now we already have this direction. So opposite would be like this. The value will be 0.6 lah. Okay. Jadi kalau you this one, if you want to apply alternative method, if you want to use like this, join also can lah. Okay, so 0.6, how about this? So the value will be 0.8. How do we get 0.8? 0.6 divided by 3 equal Y per 4. So we get lah 0.8. Kan? Okay, then you need to do another part like this. So 0.6, another one, 0.8. Okay, that's it, 0.8. So for the CD, we don't do yet. Kan? So if you look at the yellow line here, we have one Y direction, which is upward. So this one will be downward lah. Downward. This one upward, balance back. So here will be 0.8 negative. Same like this. Okay. And then how about BC? BC will be here. Now you look at the joint B. Joint B. So you look at the joint B, orange. So just now, we already balanced in Y direction, right? If you look at here, Y direction, up, downward 0.8, upward 0.8. And then for X direction, BC, we have to the right. So this one will be to the left. Okay, and then balancing. Balance back at other side. Here we have negative 0.6. Nampak tak? Nampak dah? Okay, so this one BD will be BD 1 lah. 1, cuba buat theorem Pythagoras. Okay, so now you already have two set member forces, real and virtual. So after you get this, you list in the table. Must list in the table. Okay, bukannya you bahagikan je, tak boleh. Macam test you tu salah. Okay, for test is not indeterminate. Okay, that one is determinate. So that's why we use different formula. So indeterminate, we use this one lah. Okay, determinate lain. F nu L time and divide by AE, right? So this one formula for indeterminate. Kena ingat, indeterminate. Yang ni formula will be given lah. Negative. Negative must have, Jangan hilang pula negative. The formula have negative. So put negative. Okay, now you already have all, right? L you dah ada. Betul tak? A, what is A? A, they just give you diameter. Diameter 6. So how to find area? A equal to berapa? Pi kan? Pi R kuasa 2. Pi R power of 2 lah. So it will be pi 3 lah. 3 power of 2. So dapatlah A dia. Now you will get A. Okay. But this one in unit centimeter. Ni. Centimeter. You change lah. Change unit to meter. Okay. Now you already find A. And then L over A divide together. N is the real. Okay. Sometimes F. Some F. Capital letter dia okay je lah. Ni new, N adalah virtual. So just now you already calculate, right? So you just insert lah into the table. So make sure its value negative, put as a negative. Don't miss the value negative. And then real, just now virtual, all negative, right? Okay, dapatlah satu. Didapat. Okay, then N and L, okay, divide by 8, and ni dah jadi dah. So, this column multiply together. And then N power of 2, which is virtual, power of 2 times this column, you dapat. And then you akan dapat total. Okay, now look at the question, the formula. So F, so the total here, you will be divided lah. So how about E? E is given 200. Actually, you can cancel lah. Actually, AE and AE you can cancel, right? Because of same area. Okay. And then we use E, same E also. Pun boleh cancel. Okay. So, but just now we already L divided by A kan. So, we just cancel E lah. Okay. Now, you will get the value. Okay, you try buat yang ini kita akan dapat negative 16.65 kilonewton. So, the question wants find the member forces AC. So, this is your member forces AC. Inilah dia, negative 16.65. Okay. If the question say find the actual member forces, so you will have another column. Kena ada last second column. Yang ini formula dia apa? N plus, ini ada dalam nota kita. So AC times N kecil. Inilah dia F. Mu F. Ataupun actual. Sometimes they can ask you find the actual member forces for all member trusts. So this is the steps lah you need to do. So last column, after you find negative 16, and then you find another one. Okay, ini the one. So now you can see the flow. First, find the determinant C. And then if determinant C now, you found that M plus R more than 2J, so it's indeterminate with 1 degree. How do we get 1 degree? 9 minus 8. We got 1. Right? So we got 1, meaning that 1 redundant. If you got 10 more than 8, 2 redundant. 2 redundant means it may be internal both or internal and external, something like that. Okay, dia ada banyak lah redundant. So when you got 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, so your member forces will have more, not just 2. Okay, so if you have 1 redundant, so your forces will have 2 lah. 1 forces for real, 1 forces for virtual. Okay, if you got redundant more than 1, which is 2, so if 2 redundant, so meaning that your truss, you need to do like this. So they will have more than pictures, more than 1 pictures, more than 2 pictures, sorry. So which is 3. Okay, if you have more than 1 redundant. But so far, your syllabus just 1 redundant only. But if in the real, when you work, when you found that they one have more than 1 redundant, so meaning that they will have another pictures lah. 3 forces set. Okay, 3 set of forces. But now 1, right? 9 minus 8, we only have 1 redundant. Okay, so how do we know the external or internal? So you can apply this formula. Or maybe if you already know how to recognize, you can just straight away, you know, internal or external. So if you see here, support reaction, we have 3 already, right? So meaning that internal lah, internal that you need to remove 1 member truss. Okay, so that's why we have this second set ni. Okay, after you do this, then you can find the real forces. Virtual, if you see here, there are no 45 anymore. 45 equation here, right? In virtual, they remove. No more 45. Okay. Original loading you remove for virtual member forces. Jangan pula you pergi letak pula 45 tu. No. So for virtual, all the original loads you will remove and then start again, find the member forces. Then do it in the table. Dapatlah ni. Faham This one for indeterminate. Right. Any questions so far?